The next topic is methods of evaluation of goodwill. Okay, since goodwill is an intangible asset, we know that goodwill is an intangible asset which cannot be seen or felt. So it is difficult to calculate its value. So it always difficult to calculate value of an intangible asset. So goodwill is calculated. One method may differ from the goodwill calculated by the another method. So there will be a lot of confusions. Okay, there are different methods of goodwill. So it is decided by the existing partner and the incoming partner. So which method they have to use for the evaluation of goodwill. So now what are the different methods of valuation of goodwill? So there are three methods of valuation of goodwill, that is average profit method, super profit method, and capitalization method. So these are the different types of method for the valuation of goodwill.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Do like the video if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to the channel for upcoming updates.
I'm a rider.